What up, YouTube? This is your boy, Director D Will. I am back. Thank you guys for tuning to my channel, Highsight TV. I've been gone for a while, and I have good reasons that I've actually took a quick break from YouTube, even though I just started my channel. The reason why I pretty much took a break was I had to get my life together and focus and recenter things and just declutter everything. I took a hiatus from social media. Literally the only platform that I'm posting on that's social media related is YouTube. And the reason for that was because in all of 2018, I just took a lot of time focused on other people, what people thought, and what people believed I should be doing with my life. And that ultimately put me in a position at the end of the year. I started realizing, man, you know what? I need to start doing what I want to do and stop worrying about what other people think. I used to get so bogged down and so discouraged because people are like, oh man, you need to find one thing that you're really good at and stick to it. I mean, that's true to a certain extent, but for somebody that's creative like me, I'm a very creative person. So I like to do different projects and learn different things, and I love to just actually jump or dive headfirst into different things and learn them as I go. And a lot of people that I was hanging out with, that I was around, surrounding myself with, they just really didn't understand that. To them, it looked like I was inconsistent. To them, it looked like I was just coming up with a next idea and do it and everything like that. Well, having a creative mind, that's how my mind processes things. I love to just start new things, and I love to try to get them done and then move on to the next. So I really, at the end of 2018, December to be exact, I got off of social media, and I haven't been on since then. So about December, January, February, it's about to be March in a few days here. So for about 3 months, I've been hiatus from social media and just had to disconnect from all of that and really get back to who D'Angelo is, where I'm headed in my life, and where do I want to go. Got some exciting news. Me and my wife are expecting at the end of the year. So that was another reason why I took a short break, even though my YouTube career has been short so far. But anyway, I took a short break because I really wanted to focus on my relationship with my wife and my daughters, and actually start serving back in my church. So I started getting back involved in my church and serving with the teams, which I love to do. And I don't know, it's just, I needed that break, that short reset. Actually, we're in a sermon series at church that's called Reset. So I was in a reset period in my life. So, but what you can expect from me going forward for this year is that I'm gonna constantly posting videos once a week of just me trying to figure out who D'Angelo is, who is Director D Will, what is my niche. One of my ultimate goals is to build a business, a media company, media production business. I don't know exactly what I want to do because I do so many things as far as photography, videography, audio engineer, music production, and that's something that I'm getting into. So I do a lot of different things. So I don't know what exactly market I want to jump in or what's my niche right now. So this YouTube channel is just going to be me learning the process of creating that business and taking you guys along that journey and kind of figuring out my niche. So it's not one set topic that I'm gonna be doing. I know for a lot of my previous videos I was working with the machine, but that's something that I'm learning new, and I want to take you guys along that process, and I'm gonna continue to do so. And as I learn, I'm gonna be pouring out to you guys and just looking for your comments and your interaction and say, hey, you know what? Hey, that was really cool, man. You should really do another video on this. So this is my new platform. Well, it's not really new, but this is me coming back and saying, hey, you guys, I am back. And I'm excited. I'm very, very excited. I got a level head, a clear mind, and know what I really want to do. So, yeah, man, I just hope you guys stay tuned. I hope you guys like the stuff that I'm putting out, even though it hasn't been that much. I think I got 5 videos posted. But this video is the start of me consistently posting each week and giving you guys, just pouring out to you guys and just giving what I've learned over the years when it comes to media, photography, videography, just a whole bunch of other stuff. Also, I purchased a lot of new gear, so I'm gonna be rolling out some videos and unboxing of the new gear that I purchased. I got the GH5, that's on its way, the Atomos Ninja recorder. I bought Complete 12, you can actually see it back here. Complete 12 with Native Instruments. That's just different sound packs and stuff like that. If you don't know what Complete 12 Ultimate is, go check it out on Native Instruments. It is freaking awesome. The best thing ever invented. I freaking love it. But yeah, so I got a lot of new things that I'm working on, and this is me, man. This is just me being transparent with you guys and pouring myself out. And I just hope and pray that somebody's gonna get something from this, that one person just looks at this video and be like, yo, you know what? That clicks and that makes a lot of sense for me. So that's pretty much it, man. You guys be awesome, be creative, and don't let anybody stop you from doing what it is that you want to do in life. Until next time, deuces.